One of the most overlooked yet crucial aspects of a car's performance is its suspension system. This is where the rubber meets the road, literally. The suspension system of a car is like a symphony of springs, shocks, and sway bars, all working together to provide you with the ultimate driving experience. It's the unsung hero that keeps your car grounded, balances its weight, and smoothens out those bumps on the road. When tuned and modified for performance handling, the suspension system can drastically transform your car's performance. Imagine taking tight turns with increased stability, or enjoying a smoother, more comfortable ride, even on the roughest terrains. That's the power of suspension tuning. It's the key to unlocking your car's true potential, enhancing its handling, and ultimately elevating your overall driving experience. So, if you're serious about taking your ride's performance to the next level, then suspension tuning and modification should be at the top of your list. Now that we understand the importance of suspension tuning, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Tuning and modifying your car's suspension isn't just about installing new parts. It's about optimizing the performance and handling of your car according to your preferences and driving conditions. First off, let's talk about springs. Upgrading your springs can dramatically improve your car's handling. Stiffer springs reduce body roll during cornering, improving grip and stability. On the other hand, softer springs can provide a smoother ride. It's about striking a balance that suits your needs. Next, we have shocks, or shock absorbers. These are vital for controlling the movement of the springs and maintaining tire contact with the road. High-performance shocks can offer improved response and stability, especially under hard braking and cornering. Then there are sway bars. These bars connect the left and right wheels together through short links. Upgrading your sway bars can reduce body roll, improve cornering, and enhance overall stability. Now that we've covered the basic parts, let's move on to the adjustment process. Suspension tuning involves tweaking these components to achieve the desired performance. This could mean adjusting the height of your car, the stiffness of the springs, or the damping of the shocks. But it's not just about the components themselves. Several factors need to be considered during the tuning process. The weight of your car, for instance, can significantly impact the effectiveness of your tuning. A heavier car may require stiffer springs and shocks to maintain stability. Your driving style and preferences also matter. Are you looking for a smooth ride or a sportier feel? Do you primarily drive on city streets, or do you frequently hit the racetrack? Answering these questions can guide your tuning process. Finally, consider the specific driving conditions. Different road surfaces and weather conditions may necessitate different suspension settings. For example, a wet track may require softer suspension settings to maintain tire grip. Remember, tuning and modifying your suspension is not a one-size-fits-all process. It requires a careful balance between performance and comfort, and what works for one car may not work for another. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the world of suspension tuning and modification, a crucial aspect of performance handling that often goes unnoticed. We've recognized the importance of upgrading key components like springs, shocks, and sway bars, each playing a unique role in enhancing your vehicle's handling and your driving experience. We've also touched upon the basic steps involved in the tuning process. Remember, it's not just about replacing parts. It's about understanding your vehicle, its needs, and how different modifications can impact its performance. Moreover, we've underlined the need for balance. Every change you make can affect another aspect of your car's performance, so careful consideration is paramount. Be patient, be meticulous, and above all, be open to learning and experimenting. With the right knowledge and tools, suspension tuning can transform your car from a mere vehicle into a high-performance machine. So, don't overlook the power of suspension tuning and modification. Happy driving.